Hey YouTube, I picked up this 511 Tactical Scout. It's it's got AUS-8 steel, G10 handles, open construction, tip up or tip down carry. Looks like it's ambidextrous, so you can pretty much mount it on any 4 points. I mean, when you mount it as a tip up carry on this side, sticks up out of your pocket a little bit more than if you were to do it as a tip down. I prefer tip up carry myself, so I'll probably end up changing that. So looks like about, I don't know, maybe about that much will stick out of your pocket, which is okay. I mean, it gives me something to grab onto as I pull it out. This knife's got pretty thick blade stock. And it looks like it's kind of like a flat ground. It's not a hollow ground. And of course, obviously you see that Spyderco type of deployment hole. It's got the jimping up on here. The handle, the grip, it's pretty comfortable. It's really ergonomic. You know, when you just grab it like that, it's got the finger choil here, and then your fingers go, the rest of your fingers go there. So it feels good in the hand. It just feels really natural. Only the downfall that I don't know. I guess I mean, the liner lock is a little bit on the thin side, but I mean, you know, it's not like you're going to use this knife for, you know, any heavy duty use. I mean, it's a knife for, you know, it's, you open it and you use it to cut. I mean, it's you know, it's touted as a Tactical Scout folder. It's got a 3.5-inch blade. And weighs about 5 ounces. It's got some heft to it. I mean, for the price, it's not a bad knife. You know, I just liked it because I like the shape of that blade. You know, just something about it. Just, it's different. You know, kind of reminds me of a Kershaw Pack Rat. Comes real sharp out of the box. It just glides through paper real easily. It's got a real small lanyard hole. I mean, I don't really put lanyards on my knives. I just pocket carried them. But yeah, it's not a bad knife. .511 also makes a, I think, a Tactical Alpha. It's a little bit smaller than this one. I think it's a 3-inch blade, but you know, this is the bigger of the two. I don't know what else to say. It's for an inexpensive knife, it's not bad. Yeah, 511 Tactical Scout. If you have any questions, comment below. See you guys later.